Hello coding aliens, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Hakeem. As you guys have already seen the title and the thumbnail of this video, we are going to build a full stack Signal private messaging application clone in this build. So this is another full stack build and we have already created 10 clone projects or 10 clone video tutorials of all the top real applications of this world, like Facebook clone, Twitter clone, Netflix clone, Quora clone, and many more. You guys can check out all that videos, and the link of the playlists of this clone video is in the description and in the cards above. So let's see the demo of the build. First of all, we will break this whole video tutorial in parts to get all the required concepts clearly. Watch this video till this end to gain or to get the concept of the following technology. So first of all, let's sum up the technologies that we are going to use in this build. So we will use React.js as a front-end framework, Redux as for state management tools, Material UI for all the icons, and Firebase for all the backend stuffs. So let's go and see the demo first of all. So here you guys can see here we have a very nice login screen here for the user authentication. I'm going to simply click on this login button. So here you guys can see here we have a pop-up and it will ask you from which Google account you are guys going to log in this build. So here you guys can see here there is a pop-up here. Boom, you guys can see here we have a bunch of options here. So I'm going to log in from this account here. Now it will authenticate the user and we will back to our home page of this chat application, a Signal clone private messaging application. So here you guys can see here we have a bunch of already added chats here. So I'm going to simply click on this. You guys can see here a very nice little slick animation of all the messages that will be popped out on the screen. I'm going to simply click on this. You guys can see here we have these things here. We have a very nice scroll option for all the messages here. You guys can see here we have a scroll option in the sidebar also. You guys can see here we have these things here. We have a YouTube group chat, WhatsApp lovers, web development team, Telegram, another Telegram, Signal clone. So all these things are inside the sidebar. You guys can see here we have a bunch of chats here. So now it's time to show you and how I am going to simply add a chat here. So you guys can see here we have a timestamp with the last message that has been done here. So as you guys can see here the message 1 day ago, 3 days ago, 1 day ago, and all the message just now here. So here I'm going to simply create push a message here. This is really insane tutorial. This will be tutorial. Are you guys excited? Now when I hit the enter button, you guys can see here the message is popped out on the screen, but the message is popped out to the right of the chat because I have sent that message, and when the other users send the message will be popped out to the left of the chat screen. Here you guys can see here here inside of this. You guys can see here all these messages are here. You guys can see here this message is done by some of another user. You guys can see here Prajwal Rashik. I think he is one of my subscriber. You guys can see this is the live link. You guys go and simply check out this link inside your browser, and you guys can simply add our message here inside any group here. Okay, so I'm going to simply add a chat name here. You guys can see here we are using React model for adding a chat name. So in this build you will also learn the concept of React model, React Redux, and everything from hooks, props, and states. So all these things will be covered in this build, so watch this tutorial till the end. We will gonna to build an amazing clone, and you guys can simply show this project or build inside your portfolio. It will really makes a lot of sense. Okay, so I'm going to add a new chat name here. So here I'm going to simply add here boom group, just like this. And here if you guys can see, if you guys want to push or simply add another profile image, so you guys can simply add a URL of that. So I have I'm going to simply remove this auto filled URL here. So if any guys have not passed the URL of this image, so simply it will be use the default image that I have passed the link here using the React state or use state here. So I'm going to simply pass a URL for the image here. Here I'm going to simply add a URL of the image, and when we click on this plus icon, you will see the message or the chat name is added to the sidebar section here. Okay, so I'm going to simply click on this plus icon. Now you guys can see here we have this boom group here. Okay, so inside of this boom group, now I'm going to simply add a message. So I'm going to simply add a message like, yay, let's build this signal clone. Hit the enter button. You guys can see the message is passed in the boom group. Okay, so you guys can now see one more interesting thing here. Here we are using the Redux, so that you guys can see here we have different respective chats for all these all the icon all the images for the chat images, and the messages is shown. So we are using the Redux for all these state management here. So this is the boom group here, and we have passed the message. Okay, so you guys can see here this message is done by the same user, means the host user. So that's why the name is not shown here, because it doesn't make sense. Because if you using a WhatsApp group, you guys can see here when you pushed the message, your name has not shown with the message. But when another user of the WhatsApp here WhatsApp or the group send the message have the respective name of the user. So you guys can see here we have a different name here, Aki Jaka. You guys can see here this is one of my subscriber that has pushed this message here, how to set avatar to any group. Dear Singama Shetty Ramakumara, so here bro, I have set the avatar. You guys can set the avatar simply by adding a chat URL image URL here, profile image URL here, just like here. Okay, so in this way you will simply add a image for that. Okay, there is no backend or we have not added a Firebase for default image here. So that's the things here. So you I think you have got the answer what I'm saying here. Okay, so now let's go to build this signal clone here. So how we will do this? So you guys have to simply open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here we are going to simply open the Visual Studio Code, or inside of this you guys have to simply start a React application. So you guys know all guys know that the React application is bootstrapped with create React app. So all the respective things you will got in this. So how you guys going to do this? So simply you guys have to simply fire the command npx create React app, and here you guys have to simply pass the name of the project. So I'm going to simply create a project, a signal clone. So that's why I'm going to simply pass a signal clone. Okay, and you guys have to simply, we are using the Redux, so that's why you have to simply add a template Redux. So template Redux for all the Redux stuff here that we are going to do here. So and then after that you guys have to simply hit the enter button. It will take a bunch of time, or it will simply set up or create bootstrap your React application with all the respective stuffs that we are going to use in this build. Okay, so you guys can see here we have already hit the enter button here. We have installed the all the so we have this type of directory here. After a successful compilation or successful installation of create react application or the build here, so you guys can see here we have these things here, and these things you will get after you guys have fired the command npx create react app and the name of the project. So here you guys can see here we have this app.js just like this. Okay, so now what we are going to do here, we will install the required dependencies that we are going to use in this build first of all. So here I'm going to simply open a terminal here and will install all the required dependencies that we are going to use in this build. So later we will not have to take a worry about that. So I'm going to simply install all the dependencies here using npm. So you guys have to simply pay attention here, and I'm going to simply list down all the dependencies here in a single click here. So we have this npm here, and I'm going to simply install the first, because you guys can see here we have a bunch of icons. We have this avatar, we have this plus icon here, we have this search icon, we have this more horizontal icon, we have this smiley icon, we have this stickers icon, the mic icon, and the plus icons here. So here you guys can see the note to shelf icon also here. So we are going to simply install dependencies for the icon. So we will use a material UI for all these icons. So I'm going to simply import the material UI code and the material UI icons for all these icons here. So I'm going to simply import the material UI code. I'm going to simply install the material UI icons here. So these two dependencies will be responsible for all the icons that we are going to use in this build. Okay, we will be using a React model. So here we are I'm going to simply add a React model also here. So React model. Okay, so let me show you how exactly the model will work. So here in the build here you guys can see here we have a plus icon here. When I will click on this plus icon, there will be a pop-up open with a bunch of information that is asking from us. So you guys can see here we have a chat name and the add profile image URL here. So I'm going to simply cancel this. So this is because of this is because of the React model here. So there is a model pop-up here, so we will see the implementation of model also. So for that you guys have to simply install the dependencies for the React model here. So we have this material UI code, material UI icons, we have this React model. Okay, and next and the last we are going to use Firebase for the backend stuff here or for the hosting here. So we are going to use the Firebase here, and that's it here. I'm going to hit the enter button and will after hitting the enter button, all these dependencies will be installed or will be simply added to your project directory, so that for after that you guys can simply use all these features inside your build. So this is the exact way of installing all the dependencies prior to start a React application. So I'm going to simply install all the dependencies first of all here. So we have installed the successful and install the dependencies here. Firebase, you guys can see here we have this dependencies Firebase. Next we have this material UI icons, we have this React model, and we have this material UI code. This is all the required dependencies that we are going to use in this build, and we have installed all the dependencies here, and now we are good to go for the coding here. Okay, so now let's go and close this terminal here. Okay, so inside of this I'm going to simply show you the exact how we start the React application. So I'm going to simply open the terminal one more time. Okay, so inside of this terminal you guys have to simply fire the command npm start, and it will simply start your React application inside your browser, where you guys can simply debug the React application. So here I have hit the enter button here for the npm start command here. Now you will see there will be another tab opened with a React application a very nice shining logo of Redux template, because we are using Redux here. So that's why you guys can see here we have this counter and everything here. You guys can see here in the app.js. So I'm going to simply show you the exact coding behind this. So for this, this is something a starter, or it's just like a starter project here, from where you guys can simply edit all the informations, or simply edit the informations and add your project concepts or logics here inside of this build. So I'm going to simply start the React application first of all here to see everything is now good to go. So here you guys can see here we have started the React Redux application inside our browser. You guys can see here we have running this application on the local host 3000, and this is the starter or the landing page or default landing page when you created a React application using create React app with a template Redux. So here you guys can see here we have this Redux logo, and now when you click on this, you guys can see here we have this counter here. You will see after 1 second it will be incremented by 2 here. So this is the basic and start of this project, or this is only the first part of this whole project, React Redux, using a React Redux here. So this is the part first of the signal clone. Here you guys can see here we have, this is the part first of this. We have covered the demo here. Inside of this we have covered the demo, we have covered the project setup, and we have covered the installation of all the required dependencies that we are going to use in this build. Hope you would like this whole video series of signal clone, and if you like this video tutorial, please please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates after of this build, because we are going to break this all, or simply divide this all whole application in bunch of parts. So that's for that thing you guys will simply grasp all the concepts clearly. So this will be a short first part here. We will meet you in the next part 2 of this signal clone. Okay, so that's it from this part first of this build. Hope you would like this demo or all the configurations and everything that we have discussed here. We will meet in the next part. Till then, do coding and build projects. Have a nice day.